Okay, boys, we are live officially. Yes, we are live. What I'm doing right now is waiting to see what employment claims have to do with us. Yep, I will make chart a lot cleaner for you, and I will talk about what I see and what I'm expecting to see in next few hours. And if it doesn't happen, I'm okay with that. So if it doesn't happen, probably I will not trade it that. But coming in today, I was today on the chart before New York, and I made two mistakes, but then ended up covering that back. But it was said that I make that today. I was a little bit too comfortable putting trades. Just a second. What I do, I was around 9 o'clock open here, and what happened when London open? I see strong sell impulses, and I see these lows and this liquidity. So I aimed this low, but listen to this. I entered here, and what I do? I put my stop loss right there because I was scared to not be right. And then normally I would take off position here. This is decent, but I was out for a lot more than usual. I traded only on one account, but I was out more than usual, like triple size. And then what I do, I take another sell and get stopped. And I was then realizing that we are not selling, that I'm chasing the wrong setups. Because I was chasing setups. That's the problem I made. And that's the thing that cost me in the morning. Just a second. That cost me, and then I catched best buy ever. But I was into position here, somewhere around here, and I ended up closing it there to take another position here and close it here to be break even of the day. That's what happened. I need two trades with lower sizes to get break even. And then I forget about it, and I was literally break even for the day. A little bit angry because of mistakes, and I'm fully accountable and wrong about these trades. I should wait, I shouldn't trade. I should wait for market to give me clear direction, and I didn't wait. I was impatient, taking bad trades, but that's part of this. And you see, I'm telling myself what I'm doing wrong, and you should do it too. So basically, every day what I do wrong, I say it to myself and try to not repeat it again, and try to be better every day. And that's why I'm now on a last $500 to pass and have and have 200k. Yeah, 200k funded accounts. 450k accounts better like that. Basically, why I'm live, it's just to keep me accountable. It's not about anything. And if you join and I can help someone to stay accountable and share my knowledge, of course, I'm here for that too. But I'm going to make some coffee to myself, take a glass of water, and we wait till for my region is 2:30 is employment claims, but in US that's 8:30 I think. Yeah, 8:30. One thing I'm not still familiar with is this live streaming and this that I need to constantly speak because when I speak to myself I'm like just few words and then I stop, and with you guys I need to constantly speak without failing and without saying something wrong. But that's okay. I will learn it. I will learn everything. I'm coming in a minute. I'm coming. I'm here. I'm back. Hi, guys. The thing is, drop a comment and like the stream so we can continue pushing it. That's that's what I want to see. I will drop my Instagram so you can follow this on Instagram. We are live like 10 minutes, but I'm waiting to see unemployment claims, and what I'm aiming for is nothing big or nothing. Yeah. What I'm doing right now. Let's see. Give me a few minutes just to open the calendar for you. Yep. Um, what I said, I love them. Bonus in the way. What are you doing, guys? How are you? We just started. We just started. And I'm trying to open this my second screen, but it's not giving me. I don't know why. Yeah, here we are. What we are looking for is this in a few minutes. Let's see. This and this. We don't need this. We only need this unemployment claims. 4 minutes and 80 seconds. We like maybe we will not take the trade or full port. I'm joking. Without full port here. What you think? What is gonna happen with thank you? What you think? Because in my opinion, as we see the chart, wait just a second. We see the chart and I take this trade, but little risk on the table with this one. So what I do here, I take the trade and exit around here. I was out, I think. Yeah, no, I was out. Yeah, I think I was out around here, but that doesn't matter. It's $244 per account profit on 4 accounts, so nothing special, nothing big today. But I'm concerned what you want to see today. I'm curious what you want to see here. Drop me a like or comment so we can continue. Drop me what you want to see in the comments. Why are you on the charts today? Because in the morning, I was telling you previously, in the morning I want to see this short when we open, and it happened, but I was aiming lower. But on 1 hour chart, as we see a 1 hour chart, 1 hourly, just to show you, as we see 1 hourly and we see this manipulation, I was, after getting back here, pretty sure, I was pretty sure that we are going to fill some of this, because open gap of this day is so high, so at least 50% closure, and that was in the morning. So basically I was expecting some pullback, and today I'm expecting maybe even more, because on daily chart we see this manipulation, but we are still bullish. We are still bullish, in my opinion, because this was sweep and the manipulation, and if we want to continue higher to fill some of these highs, that would be nice manipulation before markets start going up. So basically, as we see now, we are waiting for these unemployment claims in 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just make it a lot bigger so we can see what it happens here. Nice. We fill this imbalance or fair value gap. We have one down there, and we have one here. And we see what between 1 and 3, that's the or window or time window to make some equal highs, and that's it. We have this liquidity, and my opinion is we're still bullish, so let's wait. We're not gambling here, we're just reacting to what markets do. Maybe I'm not taking the position, but whatever it happens, it will happen with a reason, and we are here to see the reason. We have this fair value gap, this, and this is the open, so basically we have this liquidity on the 1 hour, but it's too low for me to aim that. Yeah, let's see. 30 seconds in. Let's see if we can get this liquidity up or down. Don't worry, we need to see some confluences to start buying or selling. We are not buying or selling on this bullshit. Okay, nice. Feel something. Great. I'm still liking it though. I'm still liking. We can really, what we can do is trade back to this and then push back higher. It was Asian liquidity around here, you see, the fair value gap. But this is too much to not be taken, in my opinion. Too much liquidity. Up. Let's wait. We haven't 3:30 New York open, so basically we can wait for that also. We can also wait for that. So hi you who are watching, man. Drop a like and comment what you think will happen. Do you see any trade right now, or let me know. I'm going to take my coffee. Fuck, I forgot. And making the coffee. There's this noise, but what we see 2 minutes pushing down. I mean, last 2 minutes we are pushing down, and it's still good. We see 5 minutes here, gap. Yep, this is too dry. This is the open. Now what we are doing is chilling. How you want to place? How you want me to? Is this better? Or you see now better? Yeah. If you want to make it like this, or maybe I can put few more screens like this. But why is this one? How to change this? Why is not the same background? Why is here not the same background? What should I do? Since crosshair. Nah, I'm okay. We are on the NQ. I don't like that. Okay, we're not getting anything. Uh, wait for this for already. Also. But I'm waiting for some confirmations in marketplace. So uh, yeah, I'm just answering the comments on my Instagram. One bro, this was great. Still, you see how we still follow this parallel gap. I mean, we still respect it. We just stopped with a week, but we are in this. We are not below or above. Good, good. Lexicon weed. Yeah, we are waiting. Do you want to? How you want to see this? We are live. Okay, boys. What you see on this market today? I'll just add another one at 2 o'clock. We see this liquidity on CPI. And, oh, yo, I forgot it. I forgot how CPI is playing. Nasty. It's bad for currency. What that mean? That mean that NQ can make some moves. What that means? That means this is bad for USD or but I have USD index somewhere. Yeah, here. You see how it push down. Usually when the US dollar is dropping, we see Nasdaq pumping. So that's what I told you I want to see today. But overall, you know what's happening here? We have a lot inefficiencies down there, but I think we need to leave it open. So basically, what the market. Okay, we're waiting. Sorry for this. Everything is back. I was just watching how you see the live stream. I want to know. I mean, we are waiting for 3:30 to kick in. Honestly, these news are nothing special. What am I waiting for? You want some different music, guys? Tell me. What are you doing? What am I doing right now? I'm waiting for market to give me some sort of confirmation or some sort of trade. And I'm I'm watching only buys, so not interested in selling down there. If it goes down there, I'm okay with that, but I'm not. Preferably, I will not take it if it's not so clean that I can't avoid it. But my opinion right now is that we are not getting any fucking trade near this. Yeah, at least we need to sweep this. So basically, this one is out. I mean, we still respect, though. You see, we still respect this fair value gap, but now will be broken maybe. And I like how market is just giving me endless, endless buy side liquidity or relative equal lows or highs at this point. In this case, we're getting a relative equal highs, so what that's signaling to me that we can maybe get some buys in half an hour and per hour. I would love to see buys. That's for sure, but we are not here to love something or dislike something or dislove how to sorry for my English, but what's my job here and your job there? To wait, observe, and when the markets give you the opportunity, you take it without hesitation and you wait. You still wait for everything to play out. You just wait. So you need to be okay with sitting in silence with your brain. That's something I need to be better. Because when I take, sometimes I take trade and then I'm so fucking okay with sitting around and watching trade play out. I just put myself break even and I'm okay. But sometimes I have struggles to sit tight. I have, but I think that's the part of the journey. That's the part of being profitable trader. I don't know. I mean, in last, in last, in last 10 days, we have only one red day or two, 1 or 2 red days in last 2 weeks. So that's great. That's great. And I have 2 times that I break the rules. I traded too much, and one time almost cost me. But that's normal for me. I mean, it's not best situation. I am trying to be better at that. And that's something you can't just sleep and overnight you forgot everything you did. You need to be better every day and forced to be better, and then after 2 months you will see how your trading developed. Because my trading for like last 2 months I was trading and it seems like I was never better. I was never like making good trades. And then now I'm watching 3 months back. It's a big difference. Yeah, it is. And I'm just imagining every day how big difference will be in the next 3 months, and how big difference will be in 1 year. Because now I'm patiently waiting, opening the live and talking to you guys. While 3 months ago I was sitting on this trading desk, forcing trades, trying to win, trying to show everyone that I'm worth of winning, and that's the thing that cost me. That's the thing that hold me stuck in the loop. You know, I'm still vibing. This is still fun. But do you want to see it bigger? I don't know. Just tell me if you want to see it bigger. This is this good? Yeah. much better. Tell me if it's good or not. Tell me. I am on a live. I am on a live. I am on a live. I'm on a live. I'm on a live. I'm on a live. I want to put this shit, but I don't know. Shit. I did worse. Just a second. Just a minute to get here. Template. Save as. Purple. Save settings. Okay. I'll put here 15 minutes chart or something. Okay. That's for good. Thank you. Hmm. Okay, I want to see. Scale. No overlap. I don't know. Indication. I don't think I need it. That's what I don't need. I mean, I told you, I pressed here cells like an idiot. I take few trades there, and then I have two trades here to be break even, and this one is a winner. But of course, this is 15-minute chart. We have efficiency here. That's the same position here. This is 5, this is 15-minute chart. Okay, okay with this. We're watching to see. I do not like this. To be honest, I'm not liking. We're still. Oh, we have a value imbalance. So basically, it's the following ones. This is better placement for this. Different. Sheesh. We start displacing this. I told you. I like this one. I really, really, really like this one. I'm that much liking this that I would enter maybe straight away here. Because if we push this, yeah, this is how my decision looks like. We have 4 hours, and I want to see bullish because we have that 15 tapped into fair value gap. 5 minute is collecting some sort of liquidity, and now we have this one and this one on a high time frame. Let's see on a minute. Let's see if we can just enter bar from this. Do we get anything? We reverse this. So basically, I'm not allowed to see this get filled. The only thing why I'm here now thinking about entering is this relative equal highs. Allows, you see this is all liquidity. And that's one thing that I'm considering about not taking the trade. Because if you have this trade, to look this right, if I enter the trade, this lows just get swept, I'm out. Out of a good trade maybe. Maybe it's just a sweep and then we continue. Maybe it never comes, but I need more. Maybe it never sweeps, but I need more confirmations that this is not a sweep because we have on a 5 minute, as I said, this was the liquidity and this is fair value gap and we can touch it as now. We came again to we came to the middle part. You see. Cells look nasty good. Cells here to fill this is play, but I'm not looking. I tell you. I already tell you that I'm not selling today. I already tell you that I'm not selling, so I need to stick to my rules And my predefined plan, even if this was nice setup, but I'm not selling today. And that's great. I'm just observing the market. I love that. Nasty good sell. Nasty good sell. Was it too much? Yeah, will be. Already break here. So basically this grade is great. I need to go. I need to go. I'm coming back in a minute. I'm coming back in a minute. Just listen. Yo, yo. We are back. I'm here, but we are now opening the 3 hour candle, and it can go lower, but this is 2 hour low, and this is 1 hour. So I would maybe want to see this sweep. Basically, let's remove this. Let's remove some noise. I'm selling it. I'm selling it with a stop loss about this 1 minute. But a little bit, like 3 contracts, 3 times 5, 15. I, I say that I wouldn't love to sell today, but this is, I think it's too clean of a setup to not sell. I think it's too clean, but should I avoid this? Should I? Should I avoid this? Reopen buy. Hmm. I am still good with this, but not shorting. I told that I'm not shorting, and I need a better conference, not one for relative equals. Yeah, relative equals. Yeah. Much liquidity left above, so much. But then also we have this too, right time frame, you know. With local thugs, so corrupt. Let's change some music. What? You see how I'm avoiding the losses because I say earlier I don't want to short these market conditions. Now I'm stopping myself from shorts and then no bro boys. No bro boys, no bro boys, no bro boys. Chat rate. Should we? No bro boys, no new friends. No bro boys, no new friends. No new friends. And no shade, fuck on me, don't fade, look at me, make some sense. Yeah, yeah, I'm vibing. We're waiting for something. The market wants to short this. I want this liquidity to get ran before 3:30. Before 3:30. Sorry. I'm sorry. Hmm. Um, um, Oh, na, 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 na. I need a second. I need a second. All night. I can't believe this shit. I'm working on my meal. This is why. This is why it's so loud, but we are looking for trade. Trades aren't coming. Is anyone here, guys? Come on, push something. Oh, we start pushing my trade. Living the life. My abyss is insane. We are bullish. I wanted to enter this buy, but I'm out of. Should I enter now, guys? It's a little bit too late, but I don't like. Maybe leave this. So basically, something like this would be great. I'm thinking about small position, something like this, $100. Something like this, maybe. But I'm waiting to see if we can get it from around here to get more of this position. This is not entering, this is just measuring the position and risk. And we will sweep this. Let's see this. Nice, nice, nice. You see this? This is why I didn't enter. I was measuring, but then now we can maybe. I'm still curious what will happen with this liquidity down there, because we can enter, sweep, and then push back higher. But again, last 45 minutes of the 4 hour. We are really that bullish. I don't think. I don't know. Nah, 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 nah. Good, good, good. We are back. No, na na na, na na na, na na na. Oh, no. No one is watching. Yay! But we are here. I'm waiting. This is quite big per value there. So let's see if we can. La la la. We are waiting. Na 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 na. We are back again. I'm muting myself to make the dishes. Damn it, I am. Give me that one. The Gucci domestic stuff. We are waiting for 3:30 open. Let's see. Bang. Yeah, 5 minutes till the open, guys. Bilo mi je zadovoljstvo. It, it was my pleasure. What's happening here? 4 minutes in. Mhm. Wow. Wump, wump, wump. Dun-dun-dun. We are opening in 1 minute. And I'm expecting to open short to this zone. Maybe I should enter. Yep. Yep. I told you. Yep, we'll sweep this one now. And that's beautiful. Great. Great. I was good with it. Give me a song. Fish. I didn't expect that much of a short, but still would love to see it now. Because yeah, You see where the liquidity is. Everybody. Link. So your body. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. We are good. Still good. Let's see how we display this. Still expecting this. Seconds. Now we are just to build this. Wait, wait. This liquidity I showed you. This is decent trade. This is decent trade. Okay. Let's see if we can get break even. Right there on this high is break even. 602. 602.50. Yes. We are just slightly above 603.50. Now what I need to see is straight push. If we get back, I'm out of break even. Break even. And we are Break even or we push? We are break even. Stop filled. You see why I put myself on break even? Because this is unfucking beautiful. I need to make sure this. We're still in a good trade if we push, but I'm out of this. Maybe I can enter again. The smaller stuff. A smaller position size. Like 10. If we respect this one more time, just see. But it's too strong of an impulse and we're not closing above any high, so I'm waiting. Just yeah, I didn't lose. But because we have here. Mm, okay, that would be great. And we will fill this. See how it looks. And what's the gap? So basically, I was trading to see. So this will. Okay. See you tomorrow.